In the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how to use the product. I'm going to start by pressing and holding the power button. As soon as your product is on, we're going to switch it to Bluetooth mode. You just press short the power button, and right now we are in Bluetooth mode. You can check that by seeing the light on the dock, which has changed from light blue to dark blue. And our product right now, it's in Bluetooth mode, but it's not connected to any device. The light on the face is blinking, as well as the light on the dock. So our product, it's an indication that it's not connected to any device. Okay? I'm going to take out my phone and connect it to Bluetooth. Go on my phone and open the Bluetooth application. I'm going to check on my list. I see here we have Atom Prime, which is the name of our product. I'm going to connect it. Our product is now connected. First you hear a sound that it indicates that it's connected to Bluetooth, and then you can check the light on the face and the light on the dock. They're not flashing anymore, meaning your product has a stable connection. Okay? I'm going to go on my phone and play music. You can use any other application you have on your phone, Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, anything you want. I'm going to go on my iTunes. I'm using iOS. I'm going to play a random song from my iTunes. You can use here the buttons in front to turn on the product, fast forward, backwards. There are also the volume buttons. I can turn on the button, the volume, or turn it lower so we can hear each other. And also here we have the play and pause button. All the buttons are shaped in the form of the Calium Labs logo. I'm going to hit pause, for us to continue explaining the details of the product. Once you're in Bluetooth mode and your product is playing music, if you just hear the bass, meaning your connecting points are not aligned, so you just need to press a bit in front to make sure that the product, the connecting points on the legs are connected to the connecting points on the dock, and they are well aligned. At that stage, you'll be able to hear the music very loud and very clear. Okay, so let's continue playing. I'm going to turn the volume a bit. As you can see, the sound is very powerful and very clear. Okay? I'm going to go right now and switch the product to Wi-Fi mode. Okay? You do that by pressing short again on the power button. Okay? Our product has switched from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi. The light on the dock has changed from dark blue to light blue. And you can see the light on the dock as well as the light on the face are flashing, meaning your product is not connected with anything. In our third video, we're going to do a detailed presentation of the application, how to connect your product to Wi-Fi, how to play music from the application, and how to use all the light mode we have available. Stay tuned for our next video. Our application will get an update in a few days, and after that, our video will be posted online. Thank you guys for your time, and hope you enjoy our product.